violent anger of the 5 elements of the earth as they are being exploited, ruined and polluted by the human race. Now, let us see what have we done to make them so furious.
What is the matter? Why you all are so angry and furious?
Yes, Mother Earth, we are furious. Small creature like man has made us so angry. They are your children, so we have come to you with all our complaints.
If man is the reason, then tell me, what have they done? All are equal to me. If they are really the wrongdoers, then they will be punished.
Mother, everything present on you is equally important, but man has started a journey of such expansion which will lead them into a dead end. If we won't stop, then we would be losing our identity, and Mother Earth, even you would also face serious problems in future.
I am an evidence of man's cruelty. They have introduced so many new substances in me which were never there before. They have made me so polluted that instead of life, now in many places I have become a reason for death.
I agree with you. I was born to help the living as well as non-living. My nature is to give warmth, but man has started misusing me. They have made such weapons that are used only for destruction.
And my anger cannot be explained in words. I'm all around, in liquid and solid form as well. I have always been considered as the symbol of purity and coolness. But man has destroyed everything and made me impure and inadequate for life. Mother Earth, now we want justice. They have to realize their wrongdoing. Even you would face serious eco-disasters in near future.
Oh, so this is the reason. What do men think? Can they use nature as they please? Now is the time for them to see the dreadful causes of their mistake. Come, let us teach a lesson to these greedy men.
Empty the village! Flood is all around!
Empty the village! Flood is all around!
Empty the village! Flood is all around!
Oh, my son! Somebody please save my son! My house! Somebody please help!
Empty the village!
child. Where are you? He was playing outside. Somebody please. Let me, where is he? Help! Run! Help!
God, save us. My parents caused such a disaster in my life.
This is just a beginning. If you don't stop this destruction, this anger will be more violent, which can even perish the humankind.
आज का मानव जीवन वर्तमान युग की उथल पुथल और त्रासदी के बीच फंसा हुआ है। क्या करे कि जिससे उसका मोह भंग हो, इंद्रियों में नवचेतना आए और जीवन को जीने की उमंग हृदय में फिर से प्रस्थान करे। आखिर इस नश्वर जगत में ऐसा कौन सा भाव है जो अंतःस्थल को झकझोर देता है, मन, वचन और कर्मों में शांति का संचार करता है। वह है संसार के सभी रसों में आत्मसात करने वाला और अपना प्रभुत्व सिद्ध करने वाला भाव, शांत भाव। तो चलें सृष्टि के सभी जीवों के लिए शांति की कामना करते हुए शांत रस का अनुभव करें और उसी में लीन हो जाएं।
देखो वत्स, ये संसार कितना सुंदर है। ईश्वर ने अपनी कल्पना को ही मानो साकार रूप दे दिया हो। इसकी सुंदरता को कायम रखने के लिए तन और मन का सुंदर होना अत्यंत आवश्यक है, और सुंदरता शांति में निवास करती है। इस शांति का संदेश हमें समस्त जगत में प्रसारित करना है। उठो वत्स, इस शांति संदेश को सृष्टि के कोने कोने में पहुंचाने का समय आ गया है।